Hello everyone. In our today's class we discuss about areas of repulsion, lesson 3, page number 52 to 54. Objectives were: identify some areas that repulse people to live in, identify how those areas can affect a country's economy. What is the main reason that would make you refuse to live in a specific country? There are a lot of places where people like or tend to live. There are also other areas where people don't like or repel to live. Let's talk about areas of repulsion. People tend to repel from living in these areas because they find it hard to adapt to the conditions easily as they do in other areas of attraction. These areas include deserts. Usually, a desert does not offer people any of their daily needs, such as water, fertile soil for planting, and a mild weather. It is the complete opposite of what people look for in an area before settling down. However, over time, people came up with different methods to make deserts livable and started living in these areas just like any other. Number 2. High mountains. These areas are usually dangerous with difficult paths. They make transportation difficult, cause low atmospheric pressure, and lead to difficulty in farming since its land are not flat. However, over time, people came up with the different methods to make high mountains livable and started living in these areas just like any others. Number 3. Cold areas. Such as the North and South Poles, these areas are very cold and are covered with snow all year round. This fact makes it hard for people to settle in such areas. Usually, explorers and scientists visit these areas for scientific research or for reasons. Tropical rainforest. These areas are very hot and humid. Such weather is uncomfortable for people to live in. Also, it is really dangerous for people to live in such areas because they are full of dangerous insects and animals. Other areas of repulsion that drive people away from settling in them are the countries that are at war, have political instability, and suffer from a lot of disease. Explaining that the areas of repulsion can also affect a country's economy. Number 1. These areas won't attract tourists. Tourists always search for countries that are politically stable and that have important sites they can visit. Tourism is a very important factor that can help with the growth of the economy of a country. 2. Trade is likely to be disrupted in those areas. Other countries may choose to suspend trade with such countries. Imports of goods will slow down as priority is given to importing raw material or military equipment. Trade is very important to the growth of any civilization. Thank you so much.